Alright, hello and welcome back to the channel. So, this should be the third and final installment of this series here of getting this lawnmower up and running. I got my carburetor in the mail the other day from Amazon, and well, I'm going to go ahead and open her up and make sure she's the same one and the right one, and get her on this mower and get her going. Let's see, here, I guess you might call this an unboxing video here now too. Here, that's all the rage. Alright, so there's a nice shiny new carburetor, nothing much in the box. And the old carburetor, which they are the same carburetor. How about that? Just off of pictures from the internet. So now you can tell if you can't hear, it's not completely shipped all together. They did give me a extra gasket, it looks like, inside of here, and instructions on how to put it all together. But so now that I've verified that this is the same as this new one, old one, no longer need this old one. So go ahead and open this one up and put it together. Taking 7mm bolts, plastic grip handle, nothing to it. Kind of a long-winded bolt. Oh. What are you breathing so hard for, bud?
What?
Why are you breathing so hard?
Because.
Alright, 2 bolts. Take it apart. And Colt, go get me a flathead screwdriver.
Okay.
Alright.
What kind of flathead screwdriver?
There's only one kind of flathead screwdriver. It's sitting right there on the...
Where?
It's sitting right in that drawer, bud. You're staring right at it.
Where?
The screwdriver that's right there. Yes, that one. Yes. Alright, thank you. Okay. Let's see here. Find where that seam is at. If there's a spot in there, I can get to it. Pop her open. Yep, just like that. Okay. And verify. Okay, she was just rattling around in there because she was loose apparently. Suppose I ought to look at the directions that it shipped with and see what it says. Using thumb pressure. Oh. Yeah, so everything is all together in here already. That's just loose apparently. Easy to move around. So I didn't need to do that. But it's probably a good idea to always check if you hear something that seems a little amiss. Take and open her up and look inside of there. So go ahead and
go potty. Go potty, Daddy.
You don't need to tell me when you need to go potty. You can just go.
Okay.
Alright. So with that having been completed, we'll go ahead and close this back up.
All this stuff is in my way.
Ensuring it's in the proper orientation. Walk around. Put the bolts back in. Torque value is tight, tool tight. You know, I'd say it's hard to break a bolt with a plastic grip handle, but it has happened, believe it or not. Usually the bolt's already been worn out though, just saying. So, get her nice and snug, nice and tight. So now we got the old motor and new carburetor here. Go ahead and, this at least is a real easy part. So it just slides right on in there. Just kind of sneak it around. Slide it there. Pop it on in there. maybe. Might help if I had some fuel line out of the way for it. Now, got a clear path right in the top of that head for the intake. Lines right up. And it's supposed to just slide right on. Except that it's not. So, took and popped that white ring out, put this red one in, and we'll be able to slide her in there real nice and easy, and get her done. What I'm thinking is that white one was for a different size intake on these motors. Let's see here if I can get the light going up here. You can see right back in there. Should just slide right on. Set the phone over here. Set the camera down. See what we got going. Push it right in. Slides right in there just like that. Take and attach this throttle cable. Probably should have done that first and I can move it around. Go ahead and pull that off again. Attach the throttle cable right there to it. There we go. Slide her back in there. Okay. Now we're good and tight. Oops. That hose is in the way. Breather, crankcase breather valve hose. There we go. Alright. Now, you can unplug this fuel line, plug it into the and needs pliers on there. Get a handy pair of vice strips, kind of a little bit big, but we'll get the job done. Slide that back, pop that out, spill some fuel right about there, pop that fuel line right on there, pop the carburetor off again. There we go. Okay. And carburetor's installed, fuel lines are hooked up. Should be good to go to test it out and see if we can't get her to spark off. Alright, moment of truth. New carburetor in there. Let's see if we can't get her going. I didn't put the air filter on there yet, so I'm going to have to use my hand as a choke. Get that all the way, keeping everything clear. Go ahead and use the drill as an electric start. Go about half a choke there. Oh yeah! Alright, well we got somewhere. Smoking a little bit, but she starts. Starts consistently. There you have it. Motor swap, mower starts. And all I need now is to put the air filter on there, which is easy enough, and get a new blade and go ahead and mow this lawn I need to be mowing. Alright, have a good one. And now we have the startup procedure for this wonderful piece of equipment. What I'm going to do, put that there.